And welcome back to Pure Nebraska. Earlier in the show, we heard from today's Common Ground volunteer about calving season and what producers do this time of the year when it comes to chores. And right now, volunteer Jordan Classen is back with a recipe for apple crisp. Here's Taryn and Jordan with more.
All right, John, thank you. Yes, this is a favorite of mine. I love apple crisp. Something you can have on hand when visitors come too. So I know, Jordan, this is a special recipe because it's your great-grandma's?
Yes, that's correct. She was also a farm wife like me, and she cooked in the local school system in Nebraska City. So this recipe comes directly from Nebraska City to here.
Ooh, I bet it's a good one then, right?
Yes, it is. I'm excited to make it.
Okay, what are the ingredients for this?
All right, so we have apples. We've already cored and peeled them and diced them here. And then we'll put in some cinnamon, some salt, flour, and sugar into those. Let it sit and mix it all together. And then on our topping, we have oats, butter, brown sugar, flour, and some baking powder as well.
Okay, perfect. What kind of apples do you like to use?
I prefer to use Jonathan, but that's not a favorite of everyone, so you can use anyone's, any type of apple.
Whatever you need. Okay, so how do we start?
So we just dump and mix it. So if you want to grab the oats and mix those up.
Okay, and I put that in here for the topping? Okay.
And you'll just grab those as well.
Everything right here?
It's just a dump and mix. So
wow, you have it all organized very well here for me. If only it was like this at home, right?
I know.
All ready to go?
Yep. And then we'll just mix it all together. The topping and the base is the apples. And then...
Is this mine too?
Yep.
Okay. Right. Get the butter in there.
My favorite part is the smell of the apples. Once the cinnamon hits them, it just really brings out that good apple smell.
So did you used to make this with your great-grandma?
Yeah, I have been making this since I was little, so it's one of my favorite dessert recipes to have for people when they come over and visit us at the farm.
So you said she worked in the Nebraska City school system?
Yep, she was a cook there, so.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we know it's got to be good, right?
Yes, yeah, she's had a lot of practice.
All right, so you kind of get this kind of crumble. I suppose you could use your hands here too.
Yeah, I usually use my hands, but.
Okay, and then you pour it in here?
Yep. And then the apples go first. Okay. So we can, if you want to.
And it's a 9 by 13 pan, right?
Yeah, the recipe is for a 9 by 13. Today we halved everything, so it'll go into 8 by 8.
Okay, so you just kind of pour all of that in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then smash it down.
And then you put the topping on?
And then just crumble the topping over the top. So
great.
I just kind of sprinkle it as I go.
And how long do you bake it for?
You bake it for about an hour.
For about an hour, and here we go. This is the finished one right here. Ooh, it looks so good. Let me give it a try here.
Have a taste. Let me know what you think.
Oh, I bet it's really good. Mm-hmm. It's very good.
Yes.
Now my mouth is full of apple crisp.
I know. Yeah, that's one of my favorite recipes.
This is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you'd like to copy it down. John, back to you.
All right, sounds good. And coming